Okay, so this is a quick walkthrough of the app. This is the app page, and this is the Twitch page that will show the answers. So we'll ask questions on the forum, and you'll see the answers spoken by the MetaHuman avatar. And so on this page, you can select the language. Currently, that's only you select it via the flag of the appropriate country. So you just click on it. And we're going to add a drop down with the actual language names, just in case the flags aren't clear. So that's how you choose the language. Then you can choose either to ask your question and have it sent to an LLM directly. So that will send it to a public LLM. Or you can have it sent with the second option to use Select AI and RAG with vector search using the Oracle database. And therefore it's using private data, private LLM, using your information, in other words. So these are two ways to show it. And then to ask the question, this microphone button works like a CB radio or like WeChat, if you've ever used it. You click and hold this button. You click the mouse and hold it. Speak your question and then release the mouse. And then that will send the question to the back end and you'll get your answer. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that now. I'll click and hold it and ask a question.
Quelle est la dernière version de la base de données Oracle?
And then over on Twitch, we should see the reply.
La dernière version de la base de données Oracle est 23 avec plus de 300 nouvelles fonctionnalités.
Okay, so we got the answer, and then we also got the answer in text on this page. So that's about it. The when you do mirror mode, where you have the phone is in front of the person and the avatar mirrors it, you press this button and it will go into that mode. So this is switching to mirror mode. And currently every 6 seconds, the avatar changes. Some people would prefer it that you pick the avatar. I just had it cycle through so you have, different people. So in any case, this is how it's activated. And then there's also an explainer button. You can just click that. And
Esta exhibición de hologramas interactivos de IA utiliza servicios de IA de Oracle, como Speech AI, Oracle Database Select AI y las funciones de búsqueda vectorial, ya sea directamente o
it gives an explainer, which is describing the architecture of the exhibit, which is basically this here, the fact that it's using Speech AI and Oracle Database vector search, etc. for AI, and the fact that the whole exhibit is open source and that there are, you can do it yourself following the instructions that you find at this QR code. Okay, so that's about it for the app.